this season. He is well and truly in the hunt for the Golden Boot with his 7th Midway Premiership goal. Kido now in for practice open. Brilliant! It's the young man who cannot stop scoring this season. He is well and truly in the hunt for the Golden Boot with his 7th Midway Premiership goal.
The purpose was a white shirt attacking and bandit into those situations whereby for the defender to catch it, it's a goal. That's a brilliant attack and cross.
In that instance, Pili.
Yeah, but also maybe this is...
He's looking to strike early. Titus on the turn, blocked. Still alive though for Stellies. Dancing into the box. Shot and they pull one back. Langelihle, the golden boy of Stellies. Makes it 3 goals in the season for himself.
From the bench and into the spotlight.
First half of the extra time as well. The minute he gets that ball, there's one thing on his mind: I'm going to try and go inside. I'm going to try and go inside. And the minute he does that, obviously Mzamela is moving across, and he hits that at the near post and makes it very difficult for Mzamela to make a save.
As soon
The first principle of defense is you've got to force your opponent wide. If it's a